If I had a resort down these roads, man, I would make sure that I did the best I could to make the road workable for my setup. This road ain't too cool. If it gets any worse, I'm gonna back out. Yeah. So the biggest thing I worry about is my tires are not 100%. And unless you have really good tires, you're in danger of getting flats and punctures and whatnot. So just a little cautious here. That looks like a fairly big resort. Let's see if they'll let me car camp here. It's worth a try. It's worth a try. You never know. There's nobody here. It's attractive if somebody's gonna vlog your place, right? So let's find out. Let's see what they say. Hey, Vern.
Hey!
I'm just salivating on this food truck for camping. I mean, this would just be totally insane. You guys, I could have like a viewing deck on the top of this thing. Look at that. I could have a platform up there for my video and my photography. Big old windshield. I gotta figure out what this is. Where to find a truck like this. This is really just crazy. What kind is it? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if I can find a brand somewhere. Let's see what it is. Maybe you guys know what it is. I don't know. No idea. I can't tell what it is. I don't know. Maybe it's some Japanese. I don't know what it is. Huh. I hate there's no name on it. That's kind of strange. It's got a hitch way up at the top there. All right, let's look at the dash, see if we can find a name on it. Maybe on the steering wheel or something. It's Toyota steering wheel, but that don't mean nothing. Could have been converted. Huh. Crazy. That's crazy. Hey guys, here's where we're staying for a couple nights right here. Campo Hayang Hayang. So we're at the Malawi House. And this is 1-5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got a little place to hang out. Looks like you got a little kitchen. Access to water. Looks to be a power out. Okay. And this is power here? Or the... Oh, I see. They got the light switch and then they got a power outlet here. So you do have power here, which is great. And then let's check it out. So these are 1-5. So you got a CR. Little place to... Is it a shower too or just a CR? Maybe just a bucket shower, but yeah.
You can open the doors of the room.
Oh, this is a room. Oh, I didn't realize there was.
It's good for 2 persons.
Ah, okay. Ah. Okay. Ah. All right, you guys. So it's got a fan. 2-person room. There you go. Need a place to hang out? Check it out, you guys. Cool. Ah, thank you. And you've got several rooms like this, and you have some newer ones you're rebuilding.
Malawi House, sir. It's called Sagada House.
Ah, okay. So they got some new construction.
Yes. It's
So-
air conditioner.
Oh, aircon. Okay. So these, you have,
This is Nara House, sir. Same type of this.
okay, so they have 3 houses that are similar to the one we just looked at.
Same here, sir, at Mahogany House.
Okay. And then they've got 2 new construction aircon houses that they're building right now. And how much would these rent out for when they're
4,500, sir. It's good for 6 to 8 packs, sir.
6 to 8 people? Okay, cool. All right, nice. And how much is it to use the pool?
100 pesos, sir, per head.
Okay.
Access for all swimming pool, below and upper swimming pool, sir.
Okay, nice, nice. And do you have food here also?
Yes, sir. Can we go, sir, to our restaurant,
Perfect.
sir?
Yeah, let's go. Thank you. So is this just general for everybody that comes here that can use this, or is this a rental?
That's the rental.
Ah, okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Ah, oh, you do have a.
Yes.
Oh, oh, nice. You got a menu too. So this is what they offer. So are most things in stock now that you have here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool. Perfect. Some cocktails. This is their kitchen, so if you need some snacks.
It's a perfect place to be, sir, with a good view, sir, of the mountain.
Look at this view, you guys. I'll put my drone up here and show them.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that looks awesome. I didn't know you guys had such a nice view. Got some little tables out here, a little courtyard. Look at this view, you guys. Wow, it's just stellar. Just stellar. Are there any hikes out here?
Yes, sir.
Is there any hiking out here?
No, sir, it's not available.
Okay. Mandalaugan.
Yes, sir.
Mandalaugan Mountain.
And behind that mountain, sir, that is Hinagong Dagat.
Ah, hey guys, so they got a cool little bar lounge set up here. Want to hang out and have a drink? You got a couple nice pools, a viewing deck.
There is a viewing deck, sir.
Nice. And then they've got a food truck. Yep. This would make the ultimate camping machine for me. Do you guys use this to cook now?
Yes, sir.
Wow. That would be the ultimate camping machine. I would love that. Huh. I'll have to look for a food truck. All right, let's check this view out, you guys. Wow. That's really stellar. That is really stellar. I like that. Look at that. Wow. How do you beat that, huh? How do you beat that? Perfect. All right, guys, so we're gonna try their non-alcoholic leche mojito. It's 130 pesos. Look at that. That looks pretty wild. Let's see how this is, you guys. I've never had a leche. She said the leche is a fruit. I'm not sure what to compare it with. It's kind of different. More different than anything I think I've ever had before. It's not too strong. I don't know what to compare it to. It's so different. It's almost like a light fruit punch, but yet it kind of tastes like a grape. It's kind of strange. Very weird. It's very delicious, though. I think I'll just finish it. Our car is just right over here off the side of the road. Now, these folks are just down the road from the resort that we were just at that didn't have provisions for car camping. And these folks were like, you know what? You can stay here. You can car camp here for a couple nights, no problem. I'm like, score. Really nice folks. They've got some pool options. They have a wet bar if you want to drink, you want to just hang out. Got some pool options to hang out, do a little bit of swimming. And yeah, really cool. Really nice. So I'm happy to vlog the people. You know, I'm happy to support people that just take it under consideration that it's a benefit for both of us, and they snap at the opportunity. They're like, yeah, go for it. And I'm like, right on. That's the way it should be, right? And I'm glad it is. So anyway, there's supposed to be a store right up here. I'm looking for the store. So it'd be nice to be able to buy a couple things for tonight. Maybe some snack stuff. So I'm looking. So hopefully we can find it without the dogs eating us. Yeah, look at that great sunset tonight, you guys. It's awesome. Mountains in the backdrop. Pretty nice, you guys. All right, guys, so here's where I'm parked tonight. You can see Campuestohan Highland Resort in the background. That's how close I am to it. It's just right back here. So these folks were kind enough to let me camp here. And looks pretty at night, all lit up over there like a freaking Christmas tree. That's kind of cool. Anyway, it's really cool up here. It's almost so cool that I need a pullover. So it's quite a change from really sweating your butt off to needing a pullover. It's quite surprising. Very cool though, very cool. That's why I'm working the highlands now. You're working down below by the coast, you're gonna roast. So not a good thing to work there right now. All right, guys, we got this really awesome teriyaki rice bowl. It was like $160 for that, and then maybe $130 for the shake. Look at that sunrise morning. The mountains in the backdrop. Nice. Houston, we just lost a camping tent here. All right, so I'm here with a group of young folks here camping at my campsite. And the cool thing is this is their very first time. And I just wanted to ask them some questions, what they learned from their first time, of what they would do differently, what they enjoyed, what they liked, and would they come camping again. So let's chat them, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
So thank you for being here. So I wanted to ask you guys, since this is your very first time, I'm very excited to see you guys out here camping. I know if you enjoy this, if you find that you love this, you'll do it again and you'll inspire other people to camp. And I think that's great. So for your first time, what would you do differently that you learned from this experience?
Bring more money.
Bring more money. Bring more money.
Bring enough food.
And enough food.
Blanket.
And a blanket.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Bring your boyfriend.
Bring your boyfriend.
Bring your boyfriend.
Nice. So, how did you find this area? Was it hard to get to? So you guys came from Bacolod. Was this easy to get to?
Famous. Yeah.
Okay. So very good. And the weather is just a little cold, but it didn't rain. Now, one thing I noticed that people like to do is they bring a cover to put over their tent in case it's heavy rain. They'll put like a plastic tarp over their tent, and that seems to help from rain. And sometimes on the ground, they'll put a plastic to keep the bottom dry. Yeah, to keep the bottom dry. So that seems to help a lot. I'm trying to think of what else. So did you guys sleep very good last night? I guess.
No, not at all.
You guys didn't sleep at all.
3 hours. 5 hours. Okay.
So when I come by, I hear somebody snoring, and that's sometimes how I am. I'm snoring. So, so did that bother you sleeping? Somebody snoring? Okay.
We're just too tired about it.
You're too tired to care. So what I've done is sometimes I'll have like a earplug that I bring, and I forgot to bring them. So I would recommend, if you're sensitive to sound, bringing some earplugs, because you might get some really noisy places when you camp. But if you have that, you should be okay. Would you come camping again? Was it enjoyable enough that if you had the things that you wished you had, would you come camping again?
Yeah.
Okay, so you would. Good. And that's what I love to hear. I love to hear that young people are enjoying your own country and exploring and seeing new things. Because if people see you having fun, they're like, I want to go camping. I want to get a tent. I want to do this. This looks like fun. And I hope more people do that. Now, one thing I notice with the pandemic, more people are riding bicycle.
Yeah.
And I never see that before. So if the people ride bicycle, go camping, it'll be so great to see people out. It really will. So I'm excited for you guys to do more of this. And that being that you have a tent, I was so surprised. I'm like, oh my God, they got a tent. Not many young people have a tent. So very cool, you guys. So thank you for your time. And I appreciate you being on my vlog. So thank you. There it goes, you guys. There goes their home. Their home is gone. So steaks, you guys need steaks. All right, guys, so one of the other rules is you want to stake your tent, especially if it's windy. Otherwise, you're going to end up having your tent upside down. And I've had that happen to me before, too. So buy some stakes or use some rocks to put at the corner of your tent, or string it to something that nobody will trip on. You can use gardening supplies. They will sell the plastic stakes. They use them for staking plants. Oh. Yeah. All right, you guys, now they gotta tear down and head back to Bacolod. So that was fun. Nice to see some people camping. Something I don't get to see very often. So this tent stayed pretty good, but it was trying to go away too. All right, you guys, see you next time. See you next time. Be good. All right, guys, good morning. So today's trip we're gonna try to go to a place called Don Salvador Benedicto. Now, when I first heard about this, I was expecting it to be like a church ruin, a church resort, or some kind of a monastery. Now I'm finding out it's a town. So it's almost 8 o'clock, and I'm glad I'm leaving early because I don't really know where I'm going to be able to stay in this area. They said it's a resort area, so that is kind of promising. So there may be several places that we can stay. So I'm getting ready to head out, and that's it. Let's go. Hey, Vern.